Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Luxury 1272, your go-to destination for everything high-end, sleek, and sophisticated. Today, we have a very special guest in the spotlight, the 2025 OPEL Camper van. This is a true marvel of automotive engineering, a seamless blend of style, performance, and practicality. But rather than diving into the interior just yet, we're going to focus on its stunning exterior, which is guaranteed to turn heads wherever it goes. Let's dive in. At first glance, the 2025 OPEL Camper van radiates a sense of elegance that's both contemporary and nostalgic. It brings the traditional camper van design into the modern age, with sleek, clean lines and a design language that speaks to both form and function. The front of the camper van is dominated by OPEL's signature grille, featuring bold, angular elements that emphasize its strong presence. The sleek headlights flow seamlessly into the body, using LED technology that not only provides superior lighting, but also adds to the van's futuristic look. One of the standout features of the front end is the large aerodynamic bumper designed to minimize drag and maximize fuel efficiency. This feature also enhances the van's road presence, giving it a robust and ready-for-anything demeanor. The grille, paired with the headlamps, creates an imposing yet stylish look, one that hints at the performance capabilities that lie beneath the surface. When viewed from the side, the 2025 OPEL Camper van is nothing short of striking. The clean lines running from front to back create a sense of fluidity, while the gently sloping roof adds an element of sophistication. There's also a noticeable upward curve at the rear, which serves both aesthetic and functional purposes, offering more cabin space while maintaining the vehicle's streamlined silhouette. The wheels are another highlight of the exterior design. With their bold, multi-spoke alloy rims, they add a touch of luxury and ruggedness at the same time. The tires are designed for comfort and durability, perfect for long journeys and diverse terrains. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking the van off-road, these wheels provide both style and performance. At the rear, the design remains true to the van's overall philosophy of modern practicality. The large tailgate opens to reveal ample space, and the integration of sleek LED taillights enhances the camper's futuristic aesthetic. The rear also features integrated bumper protection, providing durability and a sharp look, while the rear-view camera and parking sensors make navigating tight spaces a breeze. Performance-wise, the 2025 OPEL Camper van combines its stunning exterior with impressive aerodynamics. The smooth contours help reduce wind resistance, improving fuel efficiency without compromising on its rugged capabilities. This is a camper van that's built not just to look good, but also to perform on long journeys. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or embarking on an epic road trip, the OPEL Camper van's design ensures you do it in style. In conclusion, the 2025 OPEL Camper van represents the future of adventure travel, offering a perfect balance of luxury, performance, and design. Its exterior alone is a testament to OPEL's commitment to innovation and quality. It's a vehicle that makes a statement wherever it goes, and it promises to redefine what a camper van can be. Thank you for joining us today on Luxury 1272. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the exterior design of the 2025 OPEL Camper van, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more exclusive content on the world's finest automobiles. See you next time.